Oh. It smells. Is this the road? Or is this the sign? It could be. I just thought you were a lot bigger.
It goes all the way around the corner.
Okay. I was at the couple roads.
Be careful.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
But you did pretty good. A little fast here, though.
Save me! My dog is crying. He's not crying. Yes, he is. Oh, I found my glasses. Hold on. They fell off. You can't do that. You can't just stop in the middle of the road because of your glasses. Okay. Oh my God. This is not hard at all, you guys. Oh my gosh!
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh.
Ow, my neck.
Car. Get over to the right.
Why didn't
Go,
you?
keep going right. You're good. Just keep going. Get past them. Good job. Good job.
He's probably thinking, who is driving that car? Oh my God. Nazi Grandma's a psycho.
Careful coming around the corner. There could be a car.
I don't need my seatbelt. Do I? Yes.
Mountain driving lesson number 2. Seatbelt on.
Well, I'm trying to fix my seat first.
Yeah, you can do that first if you like.
Let's see how Miss does. She thinks she's better than me.
I didn't say that. I'm just saying I don't trust you.
Okay. Foot on the brake or it won't turn.
Just the brake.
I don't know if it's just the brake. That's not a good start.
Well, I never driven this car before.
No. In all cars, the brake is the one on the left. All right, we're moving.
Not like it at 8, but
That's no. You don't feel any pressure to go any faster than you feel comfortable going. This stuff's pretty rough, so.
it's okay not to. It's just mommy driving. It's okay.
There you go. Good job. This is a much smoother ride than with you behind the wheel, honey.
What? What are you talking about?
Yeah, you hit 17 at one point. Inappropriate for this road. Kid's got a nice 6 mile an hour pace going. That's more like it.
So you're saying she's a responsible driver?
Very responsible.
Not a good teacher. What can I say?
Great job.
There's the puppy. Where'd he go? Where is he?
Where's the puppy? baby? Where's
The
the
neck.
puppy? Could he be right here? Come
Like
on,
it
puppy.
makes me squeezy.
You ready to go
I
to
feel a
sleep?
little BB in
Ready
there.
to wake